This is part one of an updated version of the William A. Wise Law Library's portion of a panel presentation entitled Beyond Scholarship, Innovative Institutional Repository Collections, which was presented at the 2021 American Association of Law Libraries Annual Conference. We discussed the digitized Colorado Session Laws collection housed in the Wise Law Library's digital archive, which is built on the Islandora 7 platform. I am Rebecca Shoddy, the Technology and Web Services Librarian at the University of Colorado Law School, and I manage many of the technical and systems aspects of the Session Laws project.
Hi, I'm Amer Abdullah. I'm the Student Services and Outreach Law Librarian at the William A. Wise Law Library. I utilize the front end of this particular resource to help law library patrons, and I get to use those interactions to provide feedback to Rebecca on ways to help improve it. This project initially started back in 2012 as the brainchild of Robert Lenz and Eric Beck. Robert was the head of public services until this year, and Eric was a previous Rebecca. Both saw the need to provide digital access to the Colorado Session Laws and wanted to fill it. Both worked through mental models and conversed about the project until a meeting of the minds was reached over the best repository option, the type of metadata scheme to use, and issues with pagination and formatting. This project took a considerable amount of time, people hours, and money to get up and running. This meant that, beyond the conversation between Robert and Eric, other stakeholders needed to be involved. First, approval to officially begin the project was needed from the director of the law library. Then, after a working model was ready, it was presented to the heads of the Supreme Court Law Library for the state of Colorado and the Office of the Advisors Council for the Colorado General Assembly. Both meetings were opportunities to present the website to interested parties and to get feedback, gain buy-in, and ascertain the value of the project.
The Colorado Session Laws collection includes laws passed by the Colorado General Assembly and, historically, the Colorado Territorial Council, which existed from 1861 to 1876. We have digitized all years from 1861 to 2020. However, the project is ongoing, and so we have only ingested the years 1861 through 2008 as of August 2021. These are only the English language laws, as there are some Spanish language texts from the territorial period that need special attention. All the session laws that have been ingested are full text searchable and accessible online. We have also attempted to create linked data that connects the session laws to their sister collection, the House and Senate journals. The intended use of this linkage is so a user can click to the various places where lawmakers discussed or mentioned a particular bill within the journals, which are timestamped, giving a legislative history of a session law. This interoperability works quite well for more recent session laws and with mixed success in earlier ones. So with mixed success for earlier time periods. And that is the current state of the Colorado Session Laws collection. Thank you for watching part one of our series on the Colorado Session Laws. If you have questions or want assistance using the Colorado Session Law collection, please contact us and we'll be happy to help.